Hello guys, today I will ask people what sound
EHG123 if
so they
correct was
make
cool,
when I
okay?
type someone. Pink, what sounds should I make when I tag someone? Are you sure?
I don't. Actually.
What sound should I make when I tag someone?
You should make this sound. Oh.
Okay.
As a punishment for turning.
Go faster.
My hat here.
Guys, do you know like a guy who is in the lava monkey with someone?
I'm not good at the game.
I think someone isn't
I'm not good at the game.
right now on the but why?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Everybody meet up at the Daisy.
Oh hell! No, I'm stuck. Why did my jerk didn't work? Nah. Bro, you cannot juke me like. But you know I'm following. You're freaking. Bro, can wall around and I'm stuck. Yeah.
Give me answer. Good
Who's
job,
left?
guys. I'm not. You guys are really good at the game. I kind of.
Nah, I'm not good. I'm stuck at this game.
I started today.
I suck at this game.
I started like a few minutes ago.
No, okay.
I started a day ago because I just got this.
Hi.
No, I'm not.
What is that?
No, it's not.
What'd you just do?
I don't know.
This means, you know, the middle finger?
Kinda. Someone did that to
No.
me already.
There's a lava monkeys. Elevator.
Lava monkey alert. Lava monkey alert. I think he's gonna.
Bro, can you do the elevator stuff? But I can. I'm right over here, guys. Tag me. I'm right over here. No, it didn't work. Nah. I was trying to do the elevator things. Aggreva.
Oh no, I got stuck.
Bro, you're so good at this game, for real. Like, I can't
suck at
even
this
tag
game.
you.
I started a few minutes ago.
Then no, how are you so good?
Earl said he just started 2 minutes ago.
Okay, guys. Next,
You did not start a few
I need
minutes
to ask someone for a next
Dude,
thing.
I had a teacher.
Song.
Okay.